Welcome to the CFD weekly overview of the global financial markets. The euro recovered last week. On Thursday, the ECB will hold its policy meeting. Last week, Peter Pratt, an ECB chief economist very close to President Mario Draghi, said that the ECB will discuss the possibility of halting its bond buying program this year. Assurances from Italy that it would not leave the European Union also calmed investors, leaving the single European currency supported. The British pound was little changed. Weak industrial production on Monday, coupled with uncertainties over the adoption of the Brexit bill and numerous amendments in Parliament, kept the British pound under pressure. The dollar index ended slightly lower last week, but jumped on Tuesday after a historic summit meeting between US President Donald Trump with North Korea's Kim Jong-un in Singapore was considered to be successful. The Japanese yen traded in the 109 to 110 range last week. But with the Trump-Kim summit ending in a positive mood, the safe haven yen lost some ground on Tuesday and broke out the 110 level. Gold prices traded in a narrow range last week, although prices touched the bottom end of that range on Tuesday before bouncing back, but remaining below $1,300. Bitcoin started lower this week as hackers hit South Korean exchange CoinRail over the weekend. The exchange stated its system was hit by a cyber intrusion, causing the loss of around 30% of the coins traded on the exchange. Oil prices ended last week slightly higher. Iraq's oil minister said OPEC should not be pressured to pump more oil. Unilateral decisions on output could be a breach of the existing deal, leading to its possible collapse. On the other hand, Russian production reportedly climbed to 11.1 million barrels per day in early June, while US output has now grown by almost a third in the last 2 years, to a record 10.8 million barrels per day. You've been watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets.